So how you been doing?
Been doing real good.
So you think it was worth it?
Absolutely.
I had a real bad echo, and they were going to go in and replace the aorta valve. But once they got in and done the tests and checking on me, there was 3 blockages. And it wasn't to where they could put stents or anything in. We came in, sat down and met with him, and he told me what he was going to do and when to do it and what have you. And so we come in and he fixed me up. I come through that thing just with flying colors. I never had any pain pills, only 3 times. And the first time was right after it got to hurt me right in my backbone. And I told that nurse, I said, you're gonna have to give me something. So she gave me a pill then, and then a couple other times I'd had a little bit of pain in my back, and she gave me 2 more, and that's all I ever took.
But people can't believe that he got along this good. And they say, who is your doctor? Who is your doctor?
That's the first thing they ask. Well, who was the doctor that took care of you? And I said, Dr. Alware. I said, excellent guy. I said, he's just like one of the family talking. And I said, you don't find that every place you go. And Dr. Alware can't be beat, and the nurses was as good as they could be to me over there. It was the 10th of January that they did that operation, and for the last probably 4 or 5 weeks, well, I've been out on the farm on the tractor, and all I can tell you is they're excellent, and I would recommend them to anybody.